This course is about Better.js properties. What can Better.js do for your properties? It can verify strong typing for your properties, and it can be sure that private is respected if your property is private and belong to a class. Let's see an example. First, we need a very basic object, foo name JS inside. We create a small object here. We have our object, everything works well. Up. We do a little display with this object. Foo name is foo the name. Very simple. Now we're gonna try to put a value number in this. We intended name obviously to be a string. Usually a name is a string, so we intend name to be a string. But here we're gonna put a number and see what happens. First, we launch the application like that. Name is JS inside, so we display JS inside here. Cool. Now we put a number here. Foo name is equal to 99. When we run, plain JavaScript doesn't see a thing, and 99 is displayed, even if it's not a string, and it is a number. So it's not too cool. We want better than that. What Better.js can do here? We're gonna do a specification of Better.js. We take our specification here, Better.js property foo name. We got the type, the string. So we say that in this object, there is a property called name, and we want that to be a string. Be sure this is a string and not a number. Here we leave the 99. So the 99 here is a mistake because this is a number and not a string. We launch. We need to save the file first. We launch, and the error is detected. It's not detected, my bad. It's because I forgot to include Better.js. Let me add it. It is added now. When we launch, we see that the invalid value 99 is not okay. You tried to set something in name which is not okay. So we display a big error. Thanks to Better.js, you detect now this kind of error. Private property can be done with Better.js, but not without. Let's see. So private property without Better.js. We take a usual class. We do a brand new example here. Hop, brand new example. We have a class called cat. Now we have a property underline name, and we copy the argument inside underline name. Pretty cool. Let's not forget to include Better.js like that. We have created our wonderful class. Let's go further and use this. Here we're gonna use underline name from outside cat. So we're gonna use property which was supposed to be private from outside. First, we create the instance of the cat, then we display it. Unfortunately, in plain JavaScript, no error is detected, even if we access underline name. Node up. See, I display kitty because I said that kitty was in there. So it's not cool. I can access private property which are private in plain JavaScript without being detected. Fortunately, Better.js can do something for us. We take this specification, BJS property. We go inside our constructor. We go here, we passed, we fix some little indentation issue. There. We have property, and we did say that this instance of cat got a property name, which are supposed to be private. That means do not use it outside of underline of the function cat, like not here. Now we launch. We save the file, then we launch. With the file saved, obviously, the access is immediately detected with Better.js. So, Better.js makes sure that underline name remain private as it is intended. As we have seen, the error is detected thanks to Better.js. Let's back it up. What have we learned? We have learned that Better.js can detect the wrong type for your properties. We have learned that Better.js can detect unauthorized access for your private properties. You can see detail of all the options in Better.js property documentation.